Welcome to myBooks product demo tutorial. In this video, you are going to learn how to add multiple branches to myBooks accounting software. In Dashboard, click on HQ. Then, click Add Branch. Enter the branch name. Enter the description, if you want. Then click on Save. That's it. New branch is added successfully. Now click on branch name, then select Switch to move from one branch to another. Click on Edit to the branch name. Edit the details whatever you want. Then click on Save.